The UPERFECT Triple Screen 15.6 Portable Foldable Monitor, a revolutionary dual-screen solution designed to elevate your productivity to new heights. Whether you're a professional on the go or a multitasking enthusiast, this portable monitor empowers you to work smarter, not harder. The UPERFECT Delta First Folding Portable Laptop Monitor is fully compatible with Windows 7, 10, 11 and Mac OS 11.5 and above, ensuring a hassle-free experience across multiple platforms. While initial setup requires driver installation, rest assured that our drivers are completely safe with no risk to your system's security. For any compatibility concerns or setup queries, our dedicated support team is always ready to assist you. Bid farewell to complicated setups and tangled cables. This dual-screen powerhouse features a full-featured USB-C port for instant connectivity to your laptop. With just one USB-C cable, you gain control over both screens, eliminating cable clutter and streamlining your workflow for maximum efficiency. For an optimal experience, connecting the power supply is recommended. With its 15.6 dual-stacked monitor, the UPERFECT Triple Screen offers an expansive visual area equivalent to 23.8, revolutionizing your workspace and minimizing the need for constant scrolling and page switching. The vertical layout reduces eye and neck strain, promoting comfortable and prolonged usage. Share your screen effortlessly in all directions with 0 to 360 degrees rotation, perfect for collaborative work or presentations. Built-in gravity sensors enable 180 degrees automatic rotation, while support for duplicate, expand, split, landscape, and portrait modes offers unparalleled flexibility for seamless multitasking.